Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang. Sihle Zikalala says he was not pushed out of the premier's position by the new leaders of the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, but left because of the perception spread in the province that he had betrayed former President Jacob Zuma. On Friday, Sihle Zikalala officially announced he was stepping down as a premier after the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal accepted his resignation on Thursday. He said, "I reiterate that I have taken the decision to resign not because I'm pushed by the new leadership, but simply because of the narrative peddled against me. I wish to make it clear that I have supported President Zuma from June 14, 2005 until today. I supported him as a leader and someone who sacrificed his life for South Africa to be liberated. My support has never been personal, but always organizational. At no point have I ever tried to get a position through being associated with him, Zuma. Equally, I have never badmouthed others because they did not support him. This deceptive narrative further accuses myself in particular by suggesting that I have aligned myself with President Ramaphosa. It is the tradition of the ANC that dictates that members must always accept and work with the elected leadership, whether they have supported the elections of that leadership or not." He also said he was happy to be leaving government with no cloud over his head and hoped his successors will preserve a clean government that focused on the emancipation of the people. But Duduzile Zuma doesn't think so. She believes that Sihle Zikalala betrayed her dad, the former president Jacob Zuma. After Sihle Zikalala announced that he is resigning, Duduzile was rejoicing, judging by her tweets and what she always retweets. You can see that the mission is accomplished. Duduzile tweeted "Hamba kahle," meaning go well. We all know that was a shade to Sihle Zikalala. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.